making?
Well, we're doing, it's just a weird kind of chicken that I found at the store.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's called a ostrich. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's the back strap of the ostrich. You lay the bird down, you cut him up, pull these back straps out of the ostrich bird there, and you gotta pluck all the feathers out. I've already known. I'm just kidding. These are ribs, obviously.
All right, so we're making some ribs, having some friends over. Cooper's wishing he could get some of that.
Amy decided to invite 20 people over last minute.
Hey, when you got,
House.
yep. So we're about to clean this house. It's a disaster. We just got back from being out of town. Our stuff is just thrown everywhere. This guy's about to go make up his bed if he wants to keep playing.
Say hey, Casey.
Say what's up.
Hi.
No,
Hi. What are you doing?
No, I'm just looking at the light.
A weirdo. You about to go make up your bed?
No.
And brush your teeth? Oh yes you are.
I don't want to do it.
Gracie June's still sleeping, but we've got a mess over here. All right, let's get cleaning, bud.
No.
Oh yeah. All right, so it is Memorial Day and we are having people over for dinner, so I wanted to go ahead and get a jump start on cleaning early in the morning. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I have lots of fun videos coming up, including a house tour coming soon, so make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss anything. And if you want to make sure that you get notifications every time I post a video, then just hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Also, I do have an awesome giveaway going on right now, so check out my last video if you'd like to see what I'm giving away for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So pretty much I'm just starting with cleaning up the living room and just picking up all the things that are just kind of laying around the house, and then I'll move on to just kind of cleaning what needs to be cleaned today before everyone comes over. I'm going to take my bag from the weekend. It has clothes from where we were out of town, and I'm just throwing it in the laundry room right now so I can go through it later. Looks like he's got the ribs all prepped and ready. And we've got some other junk just laying around.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way.
Alright, and now I'm just going to clean up the breakfast area from our breakfast this morning, and I decided to just put everything off the table for tonight because this is where the kids are going to sit when they're eating dinner tonight. unpacking from this weekend and just kind of sorting things where they go, and then I'm gonna pick up in the bedroom and make up our bed, and that's pretty much all I had to do in here.
The sun, but clouds got in our way, and so every night I dream it. I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you need.
And in case you didn't notice already, my kids obviously love to dance in front of the camera and mess with it while we're filming, so just get used to that. Alright, and now Gracie June had to head upstairs and brush her teeth and make up her bed.
If you believe in love, how will I feel it? If you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready, how do I reach you? I'm thinking about us, you're thinking about it too. Higher and higher, I'm gonna raise the flag. Fire will fire.
And this is what it looks like when she makes it up by herself, but hey, at least she's trying.
I'm gonna send a sign calling you over.
Alright, and now it's Cason's turn to make up his bed. He has already brushed his teeth on his own without being asked, and now he is going to make up his bed.
We're around the world together, so often away. Come again, it's now or never. We're going
And next, I'm just going to clean the guest bathroom just to make sure that it's nice and fresh for when everybody comes over.
behind the line.
And I'm using the 7th generation wipes on the toilet, and then I'm using the Method toilet bowl cleaner on the inside. And then I'll be using the Daily Granite cleaner on the top of my granite, and the Method anti-bac on the inside of the sink, and then I use the Method Daily Glass cleaner on my mirror.
Gonna reach you. I've got a feeling you're gonna reach me too. We're up and away. We're around the world together. So up and away. Come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line. We're up and away. We're around the world together. So up and away. Come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line. Behind the line.
Alright, and then the last thing that I need to do is clean off the glass on my door frame and everything, and then also on the windows in the back where our back porch is, because they had lots of pollen on the outside and they just needed a good cleaning before everybody was sitting out there looking at my dirty windows.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel?
So I get questions about these pillows right here all the time, and they both did have buttons on them, but my son accidentally knocked one of the buttons, or pulled one of the buttons off the other day, and I just didn't have time to put it back on before our guests came over, so I ended up actually cutting the other button off of the other pillow, and I think it looks fine without, but they are from Kirkland's. You guys ask me all the time where they are from, and they were on sale at Kirkland's when I got them. But anyways, y'all let me know if you have anything nice that has been ruined by your kiddos. So when I got done cleaning the windows, I did end up doing a quick vacuuming downstairs, but I didn't have time to film it because I was in such a hurry. But that is all I had to do to clean before our guests arrived, and we had so much fun having everyone over for Memorial Day dinner, and it was just a great time with friends. And I just want to say thank you so much to all those who have put their lives on the line for our freedom and have served our country, and all the families who have loved ones that have served. And I'm just so grateful that we live in a country that we do, and thank you all for your service. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all!
Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day. Look at you pulling out the camera.
Hey, what y'all got, kiddos? What y'all got? Cupcake? Caitlin, what do you think? Hey Morgan, what are you doing? You're on camera. Now you're on camera.
Are you getting that?
Now you're on camera. Now you're on camera. Oh no! Hide me with that.
Watch out, Mr. Branson.
Wow, that was loud.
Watch out.
Look over here.
Tomcat.
There's Mary. There's Sylvie. What up, P. Diddy?
He said, hey. Say, hey.